Hi, I'm Scott Bowen with MSB Architects. We are an architecture firm here in Maryland. For our clients, we really use a lot of three-dimensional software, Revit, which is sort of the upgraded version of AutoCAD from back in the day. We use some other animation programs, and it's all really about providing the visualization for our clients to understand what they're getting at the end of the day. Most clients can't understand drawings as flat line drawings, which is still how we implement them in construction. So we provide the 3D technology to give them an opportunity to understand what they're getting. One way is to do more digital calls. That allows us to go to the job site more rapidly than getting in our cars and driving to it, especially if the job site's not near our office. So Zoom today is very popular. We use GoToMeeting a lot for our office, which also allows us to share our drawings if we need to look at specific details. We also use a web-based submittal portal program to take care of any RFIs that are put in by the contractor, as well as submittals. And again, that's all available online for anyone at any time during construction, and it's used quite often. Here at MSB Architects, we do a lot of retail, educational projects. We do some commercial as well. As part of that process, the software that we use can be directly input into the software that our clients are using. So if we provided a floor plan for a job, they can import that floor plan into whatever software they're using. The other thing, and I've mentioned it a couple times, is our web-based submittal program that we use during construction. At the end of construction, the client has digital access to that. So they have, in the old days, they would have what's called an owner's manual, which is all of the printed documents of warranties, all the manufacturer information in case they have something that breaks down the road that they can get it repaired. As we're all sort of getting used to this post-COVID world that we're working in, and we're not really post-COVID quite yet, there are some changes we might see to how we do architecture in the future. Everyone has gotten sort of used to working from home, so I think the landscape of the built environment from the business community or commercial facilities are becoming more digital. That is certainly going to change how we design buildings in the future. We may see less office space being designed, more warehouse or community space that allows for people to continue to work from home. So I think as we sort of come out of this COVID pandemic down the road, we're going to see an absolute change to how buildings are designed, potentially, as well as how many people we're having in the office. Is it more telecommuting? Are we providing more spaces in buildings, especially offices, for community gathering, but then they're doing their work at home? So we might have more conference space, less office space. And it's sort of hard to tell where that's going to go just yet, but I absolutely think that we're going to see a change after all